All right, here we have 3 eggs. Let's start by adding a little black pepper. All right, sprinkle that nicely and let's mix it up. All right, blend this all together. Yes. Incorporate that black pepper and put this aside. Okay guys, you got your pan nice and hot. We're just going to saute our onion. This is very simple. Saute our onion. You want the pan to be nice and hot. That's what you want. Perfect. Just saute that up nicely. This is a very simple dish. We're going to add our fresh garlic. Just blend that in here. We're going to saute that up. Yes, let that get the flavors together. Wonderful. That's what you want. Don't be shy. Release those flavors. This is a quick, wonderful chopped meat. Wonderful with egg. That's what we want. Ground beef. This is a quick, simple dish. Nothing special, but nice flavor. All right. All right, look at this. This is what we want. That is perfect. Let's add our ground beef. All right. Let's cook this up fully. We want to cook this up fully. I'll let you know. We're going to come back and I'm going to show you how we want it. All right? Cook this up fully. All right. Okay, guys, we want to cook this with a high heat. We want to cook all the red out of it. No red. This is ground beef. Let's cook this fully through. All right. All right, all right. This is looking good. It's coming close. Let's season it with some salt. Spread it over there nicely. Wonderful. Some black pepper. All right. We seasoning up our meat. You got to season this up, guys. Season up. Flavor. And chili. Yes. Oh, wow. Don't be shy. All right. Season it up. Cook it up. Make sure it's fully cooked. That's looking great. Look at that. That's looking great. I got a high heat. You want high temperature. We want to cook it fully. Oh, it's coming nice. Look at that. That's what we want. Look at that. That's looking great. All right. Now that our meat is fully cooked, as you can see, let's add our seasoned egg in there. Pour it right in. Yes. Wonderful. Mix this up. Oh, wow. Wonderful. That's great. Let this cook. Wonderful. That's it. Mix this up. Don't be shy. Mix this up. Oh, wow. That's looking nice. You see that? Oh, wow. Look at that. Look how simple this is. Look at this. When your egg is cooked, everything is done. Everything is done. Look at that. That's, wow. That's it. Wonderful. That's what you want. That's what you want. All right, guys, that is it. Wow. Put this aside. Taste it. Check it out. Salt and pepper to your taste. If you're new to my channel, for more delicious quick dishes like this, like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al. All right. Perfect. Done.